Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. It's a Sunday, November 26, 2023. It is 5:54 and 18 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Silica glass. So let's come to it here. The discovery of structural regularity hidden in silica glass, date November 21st, 2023. Source, Tohoku University. As glass is a fundamental material, yet its atomic structure still baffles scientists to this day. Researchers have developed a new way to quantify ring shapes and chemically bonded networks of glass, chipping away at some of the mysteries behind glass's atomic structure. Using these indicators enabled the group to determine the exact number of representative ring shapes in crystalline and glassy silica, SiO2, finding a mixture of rings unique to glass and ones that resemble the rings in the crystals. Additionally, the researchers developed a technique to measure the spatial atomic densities around rings by determining the direction of each ring. They revealed that there is anisotropy around the ring, an important example of the regulation of the atomic configuration is not uniform in all directions, and that the structural ordering related to the ring originated anisotropy is consistent with the experimental evidence, like the diffraction data of SiO2. And it also revealed that there were specific areas where the atomic arrangement followed some degree of order or regularity, even though it appeared to be a discordant and chaotic arrangement of atoms in glassy silica. The structural units and structural order beyond the chemical bond had long been assumed through experimental observations, but its identification has eluded scientists until now. And furthermore, our successful analysis contributes to understanding phase transitions such as vitrification and crystallization of materials, and provides the mathematical descriptions necessary for controlling material structures and material properties. The scientific investigators and researchers will use these techniques to come up with procedures for exploring glass materials, procedures that are based on data-driven approaches like machine learning and artificial intelligence. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.